Politécnico Gran Colombiano.
Hi everyone, our project is made of Paula Villamil, Sara Bustos, Juliana Barros, Carlos Diaz, and my name Maria Fernanda Parra. We are in the Simón Bolívar and our topic is the genome. If we define intelligence as an ability to read environment adapted to solve problems, then we will say that plants are intelligent organisms that a different way than humans. To talk about intelligence between plants and animals, it must be done from a quantitative and not qualitative approach, explains Stefano Mancuso, PhD in biophysics. Plants do not have a nervous system, but plants' neurobiology is thinking that it roots those organisms has a group of cells that act like neurons, sending electrical impulse with information from an environment, says Estela Maria Quintero, professor at the Faculty of Biology, the University EAFIT.
He further explained that if plants experience a soil with little water, a few nutrients, its response would be to send more biomass, more food, to build additional roots and explore that soil. It is even knows that they have families and relatives that they can recognize, causing them to behave different if there are strangers, even dividing the territory by means of the roots in a equitable way. This is archived by communicating which each other track volatile chemical molecules that go from one plant to another, also carrying information about every momental facts and possible pathogenic attacks. Faced with these attacks, they change their metabolism in defense, producing non-digestible substance that becomes poisonous. The perception and reaction levels of plants are more synchronized than the sense of behavior.
Genetics in plants is carried out in laboratories. In them, a study of the plants is carried out and then they process to improve them. Plants, like other organisms, transmit their traits through DNA. The difference between plants and other organisms is that they have chloroplasts, which, like mitochondria, have their own DNA. These facts, in part, are what allow the improvement and breadth of the variety. For example, there are some that can self-fertilizing and others that are almost completely self-fertilizing. That is, the plants become fathers and mothers of their generation. The study of the plant DNA helps to predict many things about the combination of them and avoid changes.
The genome is the entire genetic material of an organism or a particular species. In the case of higher or eukaryotic organisms, such as plants and animals, there is the nuclear genome and the genome of the plastic, in parentheses plants, and or mitochondria, in parentheses animals and plants. The genetic material is present in the highly organized structure in DNA and is a genetic code written in 4 letters: A, adenine, which pairs with T, thymine, and C, cytosine, which pairs with G, guanine.
The plants, the connection with nature, feeling and beginning tranquility with all the trees, animals, and even the lake itself was one of the most beautiful, meaningful, and enjoyable experiences we could have had. We were able to connect more as a group, bond and get to know each other better, which made the whole video production more special and harmonious.
Eso, la chiquis.
Her father explained if plants